Coach Mark here with another swipe left, swipe right video analyzing Grub Hub. Now, in the Coaches Lounge this week, on Tuesday, I believe, I talked about how much I like this setup. Now, I love the setup for this chart. Absolutely loved it. Loved it on Tuesday, getting confirmation the last couple of days. Let me just walk you through a little bit about what I'm seeing on here and why I like it so much. First of all, we have a stock that's been in a very strong uptrend for a while now, and that is, to put it mildly, choppy, not the prettiest uptrend, a lot of volatility in between, but pretty much skyrocketed. Love Grub Hub. They're in the tech space, and I'll get to that in a second, but I look at them as a transaction company. Like you have Visa, MasterCard, these companies that do very, very well. Love the product, love the company, and love the particular situation that the price action is developing right now. Let's talk about some of that price action real quick. First of all, we had earnings the other day, which broke out of a nice resistance area. All right, fair enough. Not the most uncommon situation. Broke out of about 120. Huge volatile day in the day of earnings, the day after. So huge spike in volatility, not surprising around earnings, creating a little range. And then because Grub Hub is in so many tech ETFs, because it's in the tech space, tech got hammered for that stretch. Late last week, early this week, tech got hammered. After that huge volatile period, came down. Now, the concept of old resistance, and this is why I liked it so much on Tuesday. You have an uptrend, you have a breakout, you have a pullback, but the pullback wasn't Grub Hub's fault, if you want to look at it that way. It just was getting pulled back when the market sells off, when an individual area of the market, sector, or industry of the market sells off, it got pulled down with it. Got pulled down to that nice old support level in that general range, and then found a little bottom and it started to give you those confirmation signals of going up. On Tuesday, I thought this was a really good opportunity. Certainly have confirmation now. So looking for that support level to continue to hold. Any pullback in market weakness to this support area, I see as a great opportunity to do a nice bull put spread underneath, maybe sell a naked put or a wide bull put spread. Whenever I'm going to do a naked put, I always prefer a wider bull put spread just to have that little extra insurance. But I also like this as a short-term directional play. I anticipate that the 5 and 9, two popular short-term moving averages, having cleared those, will act as support on the way up. Setting a target level, perhaps at about 137, 138 in the general range where price action kind of halted. Or you could be greedy on this and wait for additional signals. But Grub Hub, certainly a swipe right chart for me right now. Love the company, love the setup, love the particular situation surrounding this chart. I think she's pretty. Certainly one that I am personally looking to trade in the coming days and weeks. So there is another swipe left, swipe right chart. When I see something that warrants another chart, or if you have suggestions, send them to team@Tackle Trading. If you want me to look at a chart, team@Tackle Trading. Be happy to do so. Take care.